10 easy lines on rainy season. Rainy season starts after the hottest summer season. In India, rainy season starts in the month of June and lasts till September. Rainy season is the most pleasant and prosperous season of all other seasons. In rainy season, the weather is very nice with cool breeze and rain showers. People get relief from the heat due to rain showers. This season is also known as monsoon or wet season because the sky is full of dark clouds. We experience thundering, lightning, rainbow, and heavy rainfall. In rainy season, in order to protect us from rainwater, we use raincoats, umbrellas, and gumboots. Ponds, rivers, and lakes receive plenty of water during the rainy season. Trees, plants, and grass look lush green in rainy season. Rainwater helps farmers as they get plenty of water to grow fruits, vegetables, and different types of grains. In this season, we also see creatures like snakes, frogs, snails, and earthworms. Children like to play with paper boats during rainy season. People of all ages like the rainy season. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.